Do you wake up early or late? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Today, we are talking about your daily routine in English using the simple present tense, one of the most important grammar structures for beginners. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English channel, where learning English is simple, practical, and real. I am Michelle.
And I am Mark. If you want to speak English naturally, you must know how to talk about what you do every day. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss an episode. It really supports our channel.
Exactly. So, Mark, let's start simple. Are you a morning person?
Honestly, no, I am not. I like my bed too much. On weekdays, I wake up at 8. On weekends, I wake up even later.
Wow, that is very different for me. I wake up at 6 every day. Yes, even on weekends.
6 o'clock? Wow, what do you do so early?
Well, first I open the window and enjoy the fresh air. Then I drink a big glass of water. After that, I do a little exercise. It helps me wake up and feel energetic.
That sounds very healthy. The first thing I do is make coffee. I always drink a big cup. I need energy immediately.
I understand. After exercise, I take a shower and have breakfast. I usually eat yogurt and fruit. Sometimes I have toast with jam.
Nice. I prefer a bigger breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast with coffee. After that, I feel ready for the day.
And that brings us to work. I work at a small library and I start at 9. I love books and quiet spaces.
I also start work at 9, but I work in a busy office. I drive to work and sometimes the traffic is terrible. I do not like traffic at all.
That sounds stressful. I walk to work because it is only 10 minutes from my house. While I walk, I listen to music or a podcast. It makes my morning peaceful.
That is a great routine. Around 1, I get hungry. I usually eat lunch at a small cafe near my office.
I usually bring my lunch from home, a salad or a sandwich. When the weather is nice, I eat in a park near the library. It is very relaxing.
After lunch, the afternoon gets busy. I answer emails and take phone calls.
For me, many families visit the library in the afternoon. Sometimes I read stories to children. They listen carefully and their eyes shine. It is really rewarding.
Wow, that sounds meaningful.
It is. And then at 5, we both finish work.
Yes, and when I get home, I usually listen to music. I like rock and jazz. Sometimes I play the guitar for about an hour.
That's impressive. Playing an instrument is a great hobby. When I get home, the first thing I do is say hello to my dog Max. He gets so excited. Then I take him for a walk in the park.
That is a perfect way to relax after work.
In the evening, I usually cook dinner around 7. I cook vegetables and chicken or sometimes fish. After dinner, I read a book because I love quiet evenings.
I cook simple food, usually pasta with tomato sauce. After dinner, I watch a movie or call my family.
And finally, bedtime. Because I wake up early, I go to bed around 10.
I go to bed later, around 11:30. I guess I'm a night owl.
And that is completely fine. Everyone has a different routine. But notice something important. We use the simple present tense for all these actions. I wake up, you drink coffee, he plays the guitar.
Exactly. For I, you, we, they, the verb stays the same, but for he, she, it, we add an S.
For example, Max plays in the park, Mark cooks pasta, she reads every night. And for questions, we use do or does. Do you wake up early? Does he drink coffee?
When you see it in a real conversation, it feels natural and easy.
Exactly. The simple present helps you tell your daily story. Now, we want to hear from you.
Write one sentence in the comments about your routine. For example, I wake up at 7. I drink tea every morning. I go to bed at midnight.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? We read every comment and we love learning about your daily life.
If this lesson helps you understand the simple present and how to talk about your daily routine in English, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the Everyday English channel.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and remember, small daily habits build big English skills.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.